Have you ever looked at the clock at night and realized it's already 2 or 3 a.m.? You promise yourself that tomorrow you'll sleep early, but tomorrow comes and the same thing happens again. Then morning arrives, your alarm goes off, your eyes burn, your brain feels foggy, and the only thing you want to do is hit snooze. Yet somehow there are people out there who sleep only 5 or 6 hours and still wake up energized, focused, and ready to conquer the day. Entrepreneurs, athletes, high performers. So the question is, how do they do it? Is it genetics? Is it discipline? Or is there actually a scientific way to sleep fewer hours while still feeling fully energized? Today, we're going to explore the science of efficient sleep. Because the truth is, something most people never realize, it's not always about sleeping longer, it's about sleeping smarter. The first truth about sleep. Most people believe this simple idea: more hours in bed equals better rest. But science tells a different story. Your brain doesn't just sleep, it moves through sleep cycles. Each cycle lasts about 90 minutes. During that cycle, your brain goes through several stages: light sleep, deep sleep, and REM sleep. Each stage has a specific job. Deep sleep is when your body repairs itself, your muscles recover, your immune system strengthens, your energy gets restored. REM sleep is when your brain resets. This is where memory improves, creativity increases, focus sharpens. So if your sleep cycles are smooth and uninterrupted, your body can complete several full cycles and recover efficiently. But if your sleep is constantly interrupted, scrolling your phone, stress, caffeine late at night, then even 9 hours of sleep can leave you feeling exhausted. Which means the goal isn't just more sleep, the real goal is better sleep quality. The efficient sleep formula. Now let's talk about how you can actually make 5 to 6 hours of sleep feel powerful. This isn't about destroying your sleep, it's about optimizing it. Let's break down the system. Rule 1. Sleep at the same time every night. Your brain loves patterns. Inside your body, there is a biological clock called the circadian rhythm. This rhythm controls when you feel sleepy and when you feel awake. When you go to sleep at different times every night, you confuse this internal clock. Your brain doesn't know when to release melatonin, the hormone that helps you fall asleep. But when you sleep and wake up at the same time every day, something amazing happens. Your body begins to prepare for sleep automatically. You get sleepy naturally, and you wake up naturally. Even if you're sleeping only 6 hours, your body becomes extremely efficient at using that time. Consistency trains your brain to enter deep sleep faster, and that makes a huge difference. Rule 2. Follow the 90-minute sleep cycle rule. Remember those 90-minute cycles we talked about earlier? They matter more than you think.
If you wake up in the middle of a cycle, your brain feels confused. This is why sometimes you wake up after 8 hours and still feel terrible. Your alarm interrupted a deep stage of sleep. But if you wake up at the end of a cycle, your brain feels refreshed. So plan your sleep like this. 4.5 hours equals 3 cycles. 6 hours equals 4 cycles. 7.5 hours equals 5 cycles. This is why many high performers aim for 6 hours. It completes 4 full sleep cycles. Your alarm should align with these cycles, not random numbers. Rule 3. The 60-minute pre-sleep routine. This is where most people ruin their sleep. The last hour before bed determines how well your brain will recover. Think of it as a shutdown sequence. Use the 3-2-1 method. 3 hours before bed, no heavy meals. 2 hours before bed, stop work and stressful tasks. 1 hour before bed, no screens. Phones and laptops emit blue light, which tricks your brain into thinking it's daytime. Your melatonin production stops, and falling asleep becomes harder. Instead, do relaxing activities. Dim lights, read a book, stretch lightly, or listen to calm music. These signals tell your brain it's time to rest. Rule 4. Morning sunlight is a superpower. What you do in the first 10 minutes after waking up is extremely important. Instead of grabbing your phone, go outside. Expose your eyes to natural sunlight. Sunlight resets your circadian rhythm. It shuts down melatonin and increases serotonin, the chemical responsible for mood and alertness. This is why people who get morning sunlight feel more awake naturally. Even just 10 minutes of sunlight can dramatically improve your energy for the day. Rule 5. Activate your body immediately. When your alarm rings, your brain is still in a state called sleep inertia. This is the groggy feeling you experience when waking up. The fastest way to remove it is movement. Do something physical immediately. 20 push-ups, jumping jacks, stretching, or even washing your face with cold water. These actions increase dopamine and noradrenaline, which wake up your brain. Within a few minutes, your body switches into alert mode. Your energy rises instantly. Advanced sleep optimization. Now let's talk about the strategies used by high performers. These small tweaks can dramatically improve sleep quality. Caffeine timing. Caffeine is powerful, but it stays in your system for 6 to 8 hours. That means a cup of coffee at 4 p.m. can still affect your sleep at midnight. Caffeine blocks a chemical called adenosine, which tells your brain it's time to sleep. If adenosine can't do its job, your deep sleep becomes weaker. So the rule is simple. Avoid caffeine after 2 p.m. Perfect sleep environment. Your bedroom should be optimized for sleep. 3 things matter most: darkness, silence, cool temperature. The ideal room temperature is around 18 to 20 degrees Celsius. Cooler environments help your body enter deep sleep faster. Use blackout curtains or a sleep mask if needed. The darker the room, the stronger your melatonin production. Magnesium and relaxation. Many people suffer from poor sleep because of magnesium deficiency. Magnesium helps relax your nervous system. Some people take magnesium glycinate before bed. Others drink herbal teas like chamomile or ashwagandha, but always consult a doctor before adding supplements. Clear your mind before bed. Your brain struggles to sleep when it's full of unfinished thoughts, tasks, deadlines, worries. One simple trick is writing everything down. Before bed, spend 5 minutes journaling. Write your tasks for tomorrow. Write what you're grateful for. This process calms your brain and prepares it for deep sleep. The real mindset shift. Here's the most important lesson. Sleep is not wasted time, it's performance fuel. The goal isn't to brag about sleeping 4 hours. The goal is to wake up clear, focused, and energized. Efficient sleep allows you to get the recovery you need without wasting time. When your sleep improves, your focus improves, your productivity increases, your mood stabilizes, your entire life becomes sharper. Because the real advantage isn't staying awake longer, it's waking up stronger. Ending. Imagine waking up before your alarm. Your eyes open naturally. Your mind feels calm. Your body feels ready. No brain fog, no exhaustion, just pure energy. That's the power of efficient sleep. Sleep less, but sleep smarter. Because when you master recovery, you gain something incredibly valuable: more energy for your life.